Okay, let's just dive right into this. Welcome to today's explainer. Our main goal today is to completely demystify the AriseAlpha platform and really the broader, rapidly growing world of automated investing. If you've been hearing a ton of buzz lately about AI trading bots and algorithmic systems, but you're kind of scratching your head on how they actually work in practice, well, you're in the exact right place. We're going to break the whole thing down together.
Let's be real for a second. How many of you out there are busy professionals who genuinely want to build wealth and generate some passive income, but you literally just do not have the time to sit there and stare at financial charts all day? I mean, you have a career, right? You have an actual life. The mere thought of babysitting a crypto or stock ticker 24/7 is just exhausting. And that exact frustration is driving a massive shift in the investing landscape right now. Think about it like a scale. On one side, you have traditional manual trading. It's inherently emotional, it's incredibly time-consuming, and honestly, it's usually pretty fragmented. But on the other side, you have data-driven AI models. These systems are systematic, they are completely emotionless, and they execute continuously. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The difference in efficiency here is just night and day.
So here's our quick roadmap for today's explainer. First, we'll cover the manual trading trap. Second, we'll introduce automated AI investing. Third, we'll go through a step-by-step tutorial. And finally, number 4, absolutely crucial, doing your due diligence.
All right, part 1, the manual trading trap and overcoming human limitations in modern markets. Look, the sheer speed and complexity of financial data today makes it almost impossible to keep up. In modern finance, we're dealing with massive volumes of real-time data across global markets that literally never close. As a human being, trying to process all of that creates a dangerously high risk of emotional decision-making. If you're a busy professional, the requirement for constant screen monitoring is a complete trap. You simply cannot keep up with a market that never sleeps without completely burning out, or worse, making panicked decisions just because you're exhausted.
Moving right along to part 2. Enter automated AI investing, and specifically, the AriseAlpha solution.
So, AriseAlpha is built around a few really cool core features. First up is hands-free execution, which means exactly what it sounds like, no more constant monitoring. It also features automated asset allocation. Now, this is a fantastic tool because it systematically helps maintain a perfectly balanced portfolio running in the background without you having to lift a single finger to adjust those weights manually. Add in multi-market support for both crypto and stocks, plus real-time analytics, and you've got a highly structured, totally streamlined approach to investing.
Now you might be wondering, what if I have absolutely zero technical expertise? Hey, that is perfectly fine. AriseAlpha specifically uses pre-configured strategies to lower the complexity for total beginners. You don't need to be some Wall Street quantitative analyst to get started. These pre-built strategies are designed from the ground up to make passive income opportunities genuinely accessible to anyone.
To truly grasp how this works under the hood, we need to quickly define algorithmic trading. It's basically the use of advanced machine learning to process huge datasets, spot patterns, and execute trades continuously. The absolute crucial takeaway here is this. By relying on these algorithms, the system entirely removes human emotional interference from your financial decisions. No more FOMO, no more panic selling, it's just pure, cold, data-driven execution.
All right, part 3. Your step-by-step tutorial, taking you all the way from registration to automated execution. AriseAlpha breaks the whole process down into 5 incredibly simple steps. Step 1, you just register an account. Step 2, you claim your welcome reward. Step 3, you pick a pre-built trading strategy that fits your personal preferences. Step 4, you activate the automated bots. And Step 5, you simply sit back and monitor your performance right from their dashboard. It's a super streamlined workflow designed specifically to get you up and running without a headache. Actually, let's pause for a second on a very specific number from Step 2, $12. New users actually receive a $12 welcome reward right out of the gate. I think this is a really smart incentive because it gives total beginners a chance to explore the platform's free AI trading tools and features in practice. It lets you get a feel for the whole environment right away, totally risk-free, without any friction.
And then we hit the magic moment. Step 4 activates those AI bots for hands-free execution, so you can officially step away from the screen. Let me just reiterate this for all the busy professionals tuning in. Once those bots are activated, your need for constant market monitoring is officially eliminated. The AI takes over the heavy lifting, executing trades based on the strategy you selected, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Okay, finally, part 4. Crucial, do your due diligence. Time for a smart investing reality check. Look, while AI is incredibly powerful, it absolutely does not absolve you of personal responsibility. Just read this direct disclaimer from the platform itself. It is strongly recommended that you perform due diligence before investing, including consulting a professional financial advisor. It is so vital to remember that while AI simplifies the execution piece, it does not replace the need for your own sound judgment.
So what does personal due diligence actually mean for you? Well, it's the comprehensive appraisal of an investment undertaken by a prospective buyer to establish its assets, liabilities, and potential. Put simply, you still have to do your homework. AriseAlpha provides incredibly powerful automated tools, yes, but it does not provide financial advice or guaranteed investment solicitations. The tools are there for you to use, but the ultimate investment strategy, well, that's entirely your responsibility.
So, as we wrap up today's explainer, I want you to ask yourself honestly, are your current investments driven by data, or are they driven by your emotions? If you've been caught up in that manual trading trap, feeling the stress of constantly checking your phone, maybe it's time to consider how automated, data-driven solutions could fundamentally change your approach. Thanks so much for exploring this with me today. Keep asking those great questions, and as always, keep learning.